How to get $30 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Uber Eats promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Opening any of these websites, you can easily get access to the Uber Eats promo code. So go ahead and open any of it. I'm gonna open this one. Coupon follow. This is the legit website. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, $90 off, 80% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at Uber Eats and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get up to $30 working promo code for Uber Eats. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.